Sambahin ang ngalan ni Jesus. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip nang maunawaan at may sa buhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. Luke chapter 4, verses 31 to 37, and I read it for you. He went down to Capernaum, a city in Galilee, and was teaching them on the Sabbath. They were astounded at his teaching because he spoke with authority. In the synagogue there was a man who had the spirit of an unclean demon, and he cried out with a loud voice, "Let us alone! What have you to do with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Have you come to destroy us? I know who you are, the Holy One of God." But Jesus rebuked him, saying, "Be silent and come out of him." When the demon had thrown him down before them, he came out of him without having done him any harm. They were all amazed and kept saying to one another, "What kind of utterance is this? For with authority and power he commands the unclean spirits, and out they come." And a report about him began to reach every place in the region. Makapangyarihan ang pangalan ni Jesus. Ito'y subok na sa mahabang panahon sa ating pong binasang ebanghelyo sa araw na ito sa pamamagitan ng salita ni Jesus, sa pamamagitan ng pangalan ni Jesus, sa pamamagitan ng kapangyarihan at otoridad ni Jesus, napalayas ang demonyo. Ang sabi pa nga ng demonyo sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo, "Let us alone. What have you to do with us, Jesus of Nazareth?" Nanginginig, natatakot ang demonyo sa pangalan ni Jesus ng Nazareth. Sa mga panahon ng takot, pangamba at pag-aalinlangan, kanino po tayo sasamba? Anong pangalan o kaninong pangalan ang ating babanggitin? Walang iba kung hindi ang pangalan ni Jesus ng Nazareth. Napakadakila, napakamakapangyarihan. Ang pangalan ng Diyos ay Jesus. Jesus na nangangahulugang ililigtas tayo ng Diyos. Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Jesucristo, napakadakila ng iyong pangalan. Sinasamba ka namin, pinupuri ka namin. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito, mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends.